Get out the truck! Get out! Take your foot off the gas! Take your foot off the gas!
This is somewhere in Maryland, and this guy got a girl hostage, and he's trying to take off in front of the cops. But he's got the U-Haul stuck. Thank God. Get out of the truck so she can get out, man, and get help. Is she naked?
Who is that? And what the f is this issue?
I don't know.
Did you want to be in there?
No.
Was he holding you against your will?
Yes, that's what I'm like this.
Turn the key. Turn the key. Get off the key. Hurry, hit that lock button.
He's wrecked the U-Haul even more now. He's got his pants down. Oh my goodness.
Get over there. Let's go. Come on. I'm trying, baby. Come on, sir. Get over there. Stand up and get over there. Well, and the reason we should have thought about that before. Come on, get up. I'm going to say make me drive this. Come on, sir. Get up. Come on, get up. Get yourself together. Come on. Baby in my head. Come on. Let's go. Get up. Come on. Stand right here. All right, hold on.
You're a sick man.
You can start me over here. I'm going to go. Oh. Come on, sir.
In this initial stage, officers arrived with a critical piece of information. The U-Haul driver is Dennis Edward Bell, identified by the 911 caller. They know he may be holding a woman against her will, but his reaction immediately complicates the stop. Instead of responding clearly, Bell resists, shifts his story, and begins speaking incoherently. That behavior suggests to officers that he's trying to redirect attention, buy time, or even confuse the narrative of what actually took place. To them, it's not a momentary panic. It's the continuation of a control dynamic that began long before the patrol car intercepted him on I-495.
Ow! I'm